Many of the people in the IT industry, they keep asking us, why do we get back pain? I'm Dr. Himanshu to answer those questions. I'm a consultant spine surgeon in KIMS Sunshine Hospital, Secunderabad. So just to regain the question, why do IT professionals get the back pain very frequently? One thing what we have to understand is back pain is a very dynamic problem. It does not happen just because of your body structure. Most of the time it happens because of the posture. So IT professionals, what do they do is, since they are very busy in their work, they sit for longer hours. That is one major problem. We are not made to sit. So if you're sitting for longer hours, what exactly happens is all the strain falls on your spine and you start getting pain. The pain starts because of the fatigue, and gradually, since you're not doing those exercises of the spine, the muscles starts getting weaker and you get kind of a chronic pain. So one thing what is very important with the IT professionals is sitting for a longer period of time causing back pain. The second thing is when they are working in front of computer, the posture of the neck, the posture of the back is not good. If you're sitting continuously bending your head in front of your computer, your neck starts taking the beating. So hence they start getting the back pain. So what do they have to do? Whenever they are sitting in front of computer, whenever they're sitting on a chair, they should take care that they are not sitting for long time. Long time as in anything beyond 30 minutes should be called as long time. So every 30 minutes, 35 minutes, just get up, take a 2 minutes break and then get back to work. As far as the neck is concerned, see to it that your computer is at your eye level. You're not bending your neck too much. Again, you're not sitting in a very odd posture. So your neck should be straight, your eye should be at your computer level. Number 2. Number 3, whenever you get time, do simple neck exercises so that the muscles of the neck gets relaxed. Number 3, again when you're working for long hours, even those are the simple activities, but if it is done for long hours without taking a break, all those things lead to small minute kind of injuries, and hence you can have a chronic kind of back pain. So anything done for a longer hours is also going to cause a back pain. Now the number 4, the most important thing is, since you're sitting for longer time, since you're working so hard, your back has to be trained for that, your neck has to be trained for that. So especially these professionals like IT professionals, like teachers, like tailors, they have to have exercises for their back and the neck so that they are strong enough to take the burden, to take the pressure of long sitting and a odd posture. So hence exercise is most important. And finally, to conclude, we should understand, I would say sitting is kind of new smoking. The longer you sit in a wrong posture, you are going to spoil your health, which can lead to another major problems. Thank you.